Today, what we're going to discuss is about basic components of a solar energy system. Make I talk am for pidgin. What we want talk today be say things, basic components. You see those major things where you dey look if you want go solar, or if you're already using solar. Major things waiting wey dey that solar wey they use, wey you supposed know about, and wetin they do. If you want to go solar, there are 3 major things you have to consider. 3 major components of a solar energy system. We have the solar panel. Of course, the one you have on your roof, you can put it on the ground anywhere, but it's the major thing, component of a solar energy system. After solar panel, you go think about inverter. Inverter there alone wey dey for center. And after inverter, you go think about what? Battery. These are the 3 major ones. The 3 major components of a solar energy system. And if you want to go solar, you must pay attention for these 3 things. You must pay attention. If you don't pay attention to these 3 things, at the end of the day, you might end up in tears. Now, what does solar panel do? The work of solar panel is simple. But before we continue this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And then turn on your notification button so at any time we drop any video, you'll be among the first to get it. Okay, let's go ahead. What does solar panel do? Solar panel has just one job. There are many things we can break it into and say, oh, it does it, but the solar panel has just one fundamental purpose. And the work of solar panel is generate electricity. It's as simple. Solar panel are the one wey dey roof. Now, if sun hit them, it go convert that light where they come from sun, we touch them, it go convert them to electricity. Direct currents. Now, what is solar panel they do? So, in other words, you can consider solar panels as the primary generation, the primary energy generation source. That is where the energy comes from. And it's the most key thing in any solar installation. That's why you say solar panel, solar. Okay? It's the key thing and the major thing that you have to consider whenever solar is involved. Because just like say if rain dey fall, now that rain wey dey fall, now be the main thing. Before you come to talk about your tank and every other thing where they use catch the rain, you get the sun supplies the solar energy and it hits on your solar panel, and your solar panel does what? Converts the solar energy into direct currents. Now, that's the first. The second one is your inverter. What does your inverter do? Inverter does a very simple job. It takes that energy coming from solar panel and converts it to something that is usable in your house. It converts it from what? DC, direct current, to what? Alternating current. Now, alternating current are the one way they use for your house. The one way your bulb, your TV, your fan, every other appliance in your house, the energy way they use. Now, AC. Of course, your laptop and your phone, no, they use AC. Now, why you get a charger? That your charger, they do that work where inverter they do. You go convert before you go carry them. Although, what they do, they different from what inverter they do. They do the opposite. Your laptop charger and your phone charger, they convert DC, AC to DC. Why your inverter converts DC to AC. So, after inverter, the next major thing we are going to talk about is battery. What does battery do? Battery is like a tank. Just like when rain is falling, you pass water into your tank, or maybe when you don't have water, you call people that supplies water, or maybe when you pump water in your compound from the ground, you store it in the tank. That is just what your battery does. It's a tank. Your battery does not produce electricity. Your battery does not generate electricity. Your battery only stores electricity so that you can use it when at night. This is the work of the battery. As long as your battery has able to store electricity, your battery has done its job. So these are the 3 key things that you consider whenever you are going solar. Now, there's another thing we are going to extend it to, the 4th one, which is not key, but I'm going to mention it. It's your solar charge controller. Your solar charge controller is another important component of solar energy system. And what your solar charge controller does is simple. It takes energy from the sun, from the solar panel, to charge the battery. That's all. It's like a charger, just like you have your charger. But it's a smart charger. Once it charges your battery, it ensures that your battery does not overcharge, it doesn't undercharge. It manages everything about the charging system of your battery. That is the work of charge controller. So in the next video, we're going to talk about other things, and we're going to break these things down into different components and talk more about things that you need to know about solar. Again, The purpose of this channel is to help you go solar the right way. And for those who are already using solar, to open your mind. A lot of us have already started using solar without even understanding what it does. And that is why once your solar have any small issue, you're already panicking, you're already making calls. We are going to break it down for you to help you know what is involved in your solar energy system. And for those who want to go solar, to go solar the right way. So that's the end of it for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye bye.